Today we're going to learn a plank dumbbell drag, or in this case, a kettlebell, really any weight that you want to use. And we're going to do it in the modified position. So the knees are going to be down to get yourself in a good plank position. Pop on up to plank really quick and then just set those knees down right in place. And we're going to start with the weight on the outside of our left arm. That means my right hand is going to be doing the work to start. And the hands are going to be a little closer together than usual. So wherever your hands are underneath your shoulders, you're going to step them in about an inch or two towards each other. So then when you look down, your eyes are right in front of your thumbs. And what we're trying not to do here in this position is let the hips rock side to side. So as my right hand goes and drags that weight, I'm trying not to turn towards the weight, and I'm not trying to rotate out of the weight each time. So the hips are going to stay nice and stable here. If you find that when you go to drag this weight, you're really having a hard time not twisting, widen your knees just a little bit further to get into a better position. Here again, you can see my hands are a little closer together than they would if they were shoulder distance apart. So I might put them about right here. So as I go to press and drag that weight, I'm able to maintain my core stability by squeezing my side abs together and not allowing my torso to twist and rotate in either direction.